TheeHotSpot.com with Arturo TheeHotspot Promoter, and I'm here representing a Sugar Beets for the first annual salsa competition. And I'm going to interview a couple of people that made it and put their heart out. So here we go. What's up, people? These are the two of the people that represented. You know what? Beginners, but champion in their heart. You know what I'm saying? They gave it all they got. So go ahead, boss. Your name? So how did you guys feel for your first time competing in front of people? That's right, man. Arturo, make some noise. One love. Yeah, you should be proud of yourself. To make it this far with all these people, man, that took a lot of guts, a lot of commitment, and the main thing is, like I said, it looks like when I'm beating you earlier, you guys were having fun. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, Bobby.
You want to say something in Spanish?
All right. Vamos a darle gracias a Arturo, a toda la gente que nos apoyó, muchas Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go get Arturo, my sidekick, and tell them what all they did to prepare for this competition.
Okay, people, you got it, man. This guy rocked the fucking house today. I'm sorry about me cussing, but you know what? They did a really good job. You know, 3 weeks, 3 routines. They did a show. They did their best out there. The crowd loved them.
That's what I'm talking about.
Them. You know, all I can say for me, I am in their shoes right now. I'm in their shoes right now. I can really see exactly how they're feeling, you know? More than anything, for me, I saw them how hard they worked. They threw blood, anger, practicing every single day for 3 weeks.
Woo!
To changing the routine over and over and over. ¿Cuánto tiempo tienen bailando, mijo? 4 months. 4 months working on a routine that we changed it 3 times for 3 different shows. How long have you been dancing? 2 years. But you know what? I'm very proud of them. They did their best out there. You know, I'm sure that more than anything, yeah, come here, Rafa. They did everything that was good.
Yes, cabrón, right here, brother, right here. He's got some good shit on it. Mira, esta mujer buena, buena. I admire the valor de uno.
Thank you, DjCarlos.
Thank you.
Thank you,
guys.
Norma. You know what? I'm very happy for you to bring this together. You know, con no rencor, ellos y yo los queremos un montón. Gracias por toda la oportunidad. Gracias por poner este evento aquí en el 805 con tanta alegría, con tanta emoción, con tanto entusiasmo, con tanto amor y tanta dedicación. DjCarlos, te quiero un chingo. Thank you. We love you. Everybody loves you guys. Thank you for making the salsa scene happening now, here, today, present time, making it happen in the 805 de Salsa, 805 en el Palacio de la Salsa, Sugar Beets.
All right, go ahead, talk. Okay, guys, as you saw, it was the finals. These guys were giving the hugs. This is Rico Suave. We know they're the best guys. They were giving a lot of good things and support. Then he's the Diablo. All right, here we go. We got Tanya right here. Second place. What's up? We're gonna bring you more dances and gonna bring you more events. Every time when you see a dance floor, salsa is gonna be there. I don't know how, but we're gonna be dancing with your heart.
Yeah, everybody tonight dance with the heart. They did it. They threw blood in the dance floor. You know, that's how you do it. Forget about first place. Forget about second place. You know, the passion of salsa and getting everybody as a community together with love, that's what it counts. You know, a big family, that's what we are.
Hey, Tanya, so how does it feel for your first time being second place?
You know what? It feels awesome. We danced with the heart. That's really what we did. So, no regrets. We're good.
What's up, Alexis? How does it feel?
I feel good.
second place is a good place. So the next time I will for the first place.
We're first. Right here, right here.
All of us already have first place. That's in my who's guys. That's why it's here. And the fight comes out with guys. Because Colin Reyes, Sabroso. Always there. And the Beets, Jonathan, Tania, Alexis, Eduardo, and my best friend, Carlos. Always making noise, guys, for you. We see you next time.
We love you.
DjCarlos and Norma Rodriguez today. We appreciate that they bring this kind of thing for us, guys.
And don't forget, you can always follow us, The Hot Spot. Everywhere we go is The Hot Spot.
Oh!
Stay
That
tuned.
No importa cuánto tiempo hayan bailado. Gracias por estar aquí. Gracias a mi esposo de los bailes. Con ustedes. Gracias a Martín y a Jason que nos dan permiso aquí en Sugar Beat de presentarles a ustedes salsa y bachata y un poco más. Gracias a todos estos bailadores que están bien valientes aquí, esperando que ustedes los apoyen. Eso es todo lo que podemos decirles a ustedes. Que gracias porque nos apoyan viernes con viernes y que de aquí en adelante ese es el principio de muchos que vienen. Ok, gracias porque nos apoyan aquí cada noche.
Okay, everybody. Y gracias a Norma. Let's hear it for Norma. Normita, we love you for putting this together for us. We love
805, baby! 805! Best salsa and bachata.
She supported our salsa community, right, as best she could. Tonight, look at that. Okay, so we'll get started. Our judges for tonight go as follows, guys. We have some new judges, but how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 judges for tonight. Look at that, guys. Let's give them a hand. All the judges tonight are fully qualified for this competition, guys. I'm gonna start with Simón Uzueta. Let's give him a hand. He's our main judge for tonight. From Ventura County, instructor of salsa, ballroom, tap, and jazz. Right, from Arthur Murray Studios, we have Jessica Morgan. Jessica has been involved with Arthur Murray. She's a ballroom dancer. She knows about all our techniques and stuff. 11 years, guys. That's a long time. Thank you for being with us, Jessica. All right. Now, from Santa Barbara, instructor of ballroom swing, tap and jazz, tango and salsa, Derek Curtis. Let's give him a hand. Thank you, Derek, for being here. Now, Derek is a big part of Bash, guys. Bash is the biggest dance performance event that happens in Santa Barbara. This is the guy to talk to right here. If you guys have what it takes and you want to submit some stuff next year, because this year already went by, you want to see that guy right there. Yeah, especially the winners, that's right. We'd love to have the winners go on out there on stage. All right. This is a great opportunity. Come on out, guys. Let's hear it, guys.
guys. Give them a hand. All right, competitors, back into position. Now, there's a list back there so you know exactly who's next. The competitors staying on the dance floor.